The agricultural industry has seen a lot of changes since the new year began. Most notably, the lawsuit filed against Syngenta Corporation and also the merger of a lot of large companies such as John Deere. To help us answer some of these questions we may have about these mergers and lawsuits, we caught up with Jason Gesh of Gesh Agronomy Services north of Spencer, Nebraska.
Jason is the perfect candidate to ask about John Deere acquiring majority ownership of Hagee Manufacturing, because Gesh Agronomy Services predominantly uses Hagee machinery when applying chemicals for local farmers. Hagee is a smaller producer of what's known as high boy sprayers, founded in Clarion, Iowa by Ray Hagie in 1947. They've always had a reputation for manufacturing high-quality farming machinery. So we asked Jason, are there any concerns with John Deere and Hagee's new joint venture, such as price increases?
Well, you're always worried about price increases, but my primary concern is how the service is going to affect me. We've always had to go quite a ways for service with our Hagee machine anyway, and I don't know that's going to change. I haven't had any local John Deere dealerships really approach me yet about any interest in servicing a machine up here. So I guess we really need to wait and see how everything, turns out.
John Deere has also entered into a multinational distribution agreement with 360 Yield Center to sell and support its application products using the John Deere dealership network throughout the United States and Canada. 360 Yield Center is an innovative application producer, so we asked Jason if that would cause any conflict of interest with the products he already provides from Syngenta.
Well, our Syngenta products aren't really in a competing market. Where we're seeding chemicals on the Syngenta side, and the other is more of a machinery application type product. Products that we could even use on our Hagee machines to apply late season nitrogen, for example. So no, I don't really think there's going to be any competing issues there.
As previously reported by News Channel Nebraska, Syngenta Corporation is in the middle of a collective lawsuit. The case is blaming Syngenta for the drastic fall in corn prices during the 2013 season, mainly because China did not approve of Syngenta's new genetic traits. Since Jason is an established Syngenta seed advisor, we asked, are there any concerns over the pending lawsuit, and could his agronomy business be affected?
Well, the whole lawsuit, the biggest impact that I'm seeing is that it has slowed or nearly stopped the advancement of new traits, not just with Syngenta, but with other trait companies as well. Syngenta moved forward with the Viptera without China approval, but they did have full U.S. regulatory approval. And it's not the first time that a seed company has moved forward with a new trait without China approval. The grain market had already declined by late summer prior to China's rejection of that corn shipment. So you can argue back and forth what's going on there, but the nuts and bolts of it is I don't see a big impact on our business except for the slowing of the traits.
It's amazing to see how the ag industry is constantly evolving. All three recent developments, from John Deere acquiring smaller operations to Syngenta's involvement with the collective lawsuit, have directly impacted Gesh Agronomy Services. But Jason is confident that everything is moving forward and his business, like many others across northeast Nebraska, will be just fine. Reporting for News Channel Nebraska, I'm Andy Klassen.